In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container eco-retreat nestled in a secluded self-catering chalet with amazing views of the Rocklands. This remarkable property offers a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living, creating a haven where comfort, style, and natural beauty converge. The container retreat is built using two 20-foot shipping containers placed side by side, creating approximately 320 square feet of habitable space with an additional roof above the shipping containers stretching all the way to a covered outdoor deck. From a covered entrance patio, the seamless open-plan layout ensures comfort and convenience, allowing for an effortless flow between living areas. The open-plan living areas feature an immaculately designed kitchenette where functionality meets modern aesthetics. The kitchenette also has two-seater breakfast bar with stools. Natural light infuses the kitchen space through the large glass window, showcasing the captivating views of the outdoors. Next to the kitchen is a cozy lounge space that invites you to a nice place to unwind and relax in style. The lounge area has a comfy couch where guests can relax with a book and a custom coffee table. From the lounge area is the bedroom. It features a comfortable king-size bed and a portable closet where you can keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. The bedroom is fitted with adequately sized glass windows to extend the bed space and also offer maximum daylighting. Past the bedroom is a stunning bathroom where you can indulge in a luxurious experience with a spacious glass shower cubicle that opens to the outdoors. Outside, there is a covered patio with outdoor seating as well as a braai facility, which is a perfect spot for a sundowner in the evening. Additionally, this container retreat has an inviting outdoor bath to indulge after a long day trek. The grooves of the shipping containers are visible from outside and are painted in a dark shade to make this amazing retreat stand out from its Rockland background. You can check out this amazing container retreat using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing design appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.